Ka Deborah Marak, Working President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, habu juba pelor ki jingkeli baka jingdon jong ki Mynder ka wanra Jingklumar haga jala kalau ong baka ni kapau haboro ka wei keri. Kalau ong baka Sorkar kan habon wat ikilat kilenti kumno bantek la kami ka jingwan Rung Beaiñ ki Mynderi batla dalap baki de ki Beaiñ ka de ban le ka badon kam. Kini jingkeli ka long halor ka jing kanat snam harilom garo ka bami na ka jing temu pentrai kam ya ka notification jong ka GHADC ka babuk kendon bagi bertemu banyak kon election MDC kin hap say ya ka sernot schedule tribe.
But do you think that illegal immigration is a problem here? That everyone keeps on saying.
I think this is a problem all over India. They should find out the root cause and find a good mechanism so then we can curb it and stop it in future.
So, do you think that the CM of Meghalaya should take a decision like the CM of Assam did in evicting the legal immigrant plan?
If it is illegal, definitely it is the duty of the government. If it is illegal, again I'm not saying the proper residents of India. Yeah, definitely. If we need to write, we will write. From the 40 side, there is no harm. Our writing to the government, if it helps the people of Meghalaya, definitely we will do it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.